Question number 28 say that suppose you have a cylinder whose given diameter d equals to 7. It means radius is r equals to 7 by 2. Question number 28. By this one you see that the volume have to come out. Suppose we have a container and by this cylinder the volume have to come out 192.5. Which volume have to come out? 192.5 liter per minute given. This volume have to come out liter per minute. You see that question says that suppose you have a cylindrical pipe whose diameter is 7. It means radius is 7 by 2. If we have to collect the water from this pipe and the water we have to collect it in 1 minute is 192.5 liter. Question have asked that what is the speed of water? What is the speed of water? It means we have to calculate the height. It means you see that according to question you have to mention according to question volume collected in 1 minute equals to the volume comes out from cylinder in 1 minute. Till here anyone have any problem? You see that which volume? Volume have to come out 192.5 liter per minute. This volume have to come out in 1 minute equals to the volume of this cylinder. This pi r square and h. Question have asked that what is the speed, and speed depend that depend upon the speed. Okay, you see that, and 192.5 liter, you know that 1 meter cube equals to what? 1000 liter. Or if we want to convert the liter in meter cube, then we have to divide it by 1000. It means 192.5 divided by 1000 equals to 22 by 7. Radius is 7 by 2 and this is given in the centimeter. This is given in the centimeter, then you have to convert in the meter, then divided by 100. It means 7 upon 200 into 7 upon 200. This is the speed. What you have to mention? This is the speed. You see that this implies that value of h here you have to calculate it 192.5 into 40. You have to see that 7 and 7 cancel out. 102030, 102030 cancel out. Remains value 20 into 2. This is 40. 192 multiplied by 40 divided by remains value 22 into 7. Whenever you have to divide it, you see that 192 into 0.5, you have to mention 1925 into 4. This 10 you have to use here. You have to remove this decimal. It means 1925 into 4 divided by 22 into 7. 7 divided 1925. This will be 275 into 2 divided by 11. It means this will be 550 divided by 11. Remains value is 50 meter per minute. The speed of the water is 50 minute per minute. But question have asked that you have to convert this. Question have say that you have to convert this. You have to calculate the speed in kilometer per hour. If we want to convert this meter in kilometer, then divided by 1000. It means you see that we have to divide it by 1000. And if this minute we want to convert in the hour, then divided by 60. It means you have to multiply it by 60 upon 1000. This will be 3 kilometer per hour. In this question, anyone have any doubt? In next question, 35. You see that question tell that. Can I raise this question? Question number 35. In a hospital, used water collected in a cylindrical tank of diameter 2 meter and height 5 meters. Suppose the used water after recycling we have to collect in a cylinder whose diameter given diameter 2 meter. It means radius is 1 meter and height is h equals to 5 meter. You see that by this same volume, question say that this water is used to irrigate a park of hospital whose length 25 meter, breadth 20 meter. If the tank is filled completely, then what will be the height standing used water for irrigating the park? Suppose you have a cuboidal park. because park is cuboidal. Whenever you have to measure the length, breadth and height, it means this is the cuboidal shape. You see that? Suppose you have a cuboidal shape like that. We start irrigate our land. You see that what question you tell that? Suppose in a hospital we have to recycle the water. What question you tell that? Question number 35. That suppose in a hospital we have to recycle the water, and this water we have to collect in a cylinder, and whose cylinder radius given? Come in. This cylinder radius given 1 meter and height same water. So suppose this cylinder is completely filled by the same water. We want to irrigate a lawn. It means this whole water we have to invest in the lawn. Whose length given? 25. This, suppose this is your length. Breadth given 20 meter. Question have asked that what is the height? At which level of the height we have to irrigate the land? It means how much water will be there. You tell to me. According to question, you see that the volume of the cylinder equals to the volume of the park. Okay. That you have to mention according to question. You have to mention all the given things. Volume of cylinder equals to what? Volume of park at the level we have irrigate. Till here anyone have any doubt? Volume of the park, pi r square h, 22/7. Value of r is 1 into 1. Value of h is 5. Equals to, this is the cuboidal and volume of cuboid LBH. It means 25 into 20 into h. Question have asked about this h. At which level water we have to, it means suppose we have to, this water we have to irrigate in our land. It means length and breadth of the land is fixed. It means only height is increased. And question asks about this height. You see that this implies that 22 into 5 divided by 25 into 20 into 7. This will be equals to h. 5 5 ja 25. This will be 11. This will be 10. This implies that 11 upon 5 10 ja 50, 57 ja 350. 11 upon 350 meter. 11 upon 0.0314 meter. This is the height. At this height water will be irrigate. It means whenever you have to irrigate the land by this water, the water length will be, or the water height will be in the land is 0.031 meter. Otherwise if you want to convert in the meter, then 3 centimeter, 3.1 centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. It means the height increase. It means the water fill at the 3.1 centimeter level. Okay. Yes, beta.
How the part shows the water, how it is filling?
It means depth in, you listen to me. We have to keep silence. We have to listen to me. In whenever you have to irrigate any field, it means no dug. Depth we have to use. In the field, if suppose you have to irrigate our field, you see that the in field there are depth. Otherwise, at the boundary you have to make something. Some boundaries you have to make at the corners. And you see that suppose this is your field. So in this field, you have to give the depth in this field. Like that. Explain this whole question. You try to solve. It means I have to give all the. Suppose you have a right angle triangle. And whenever you have to rotate this your right angle triangle about its hypotenuse. Suppose you have to rotate your right angle triangle about its hypotenuse. Then you have to find the double of the cone. It means one lower part and one upper part. It means suppose this is the three-dimensional figure. Suppose your cone is like that. This is your right angle triangle whose hypotenuse AC. I have not make here right angle triangle. I have to make this type of triangle. But suppose this is the right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is AC, whose two sides are given. One side given 15, second side given 20. Then this hypotenuse, apply the Pythagoras theorem. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. And this 400, this is 15 square plus 20 square. AC square equals to, this is the hypotenuse. AC square plus BC square. 400 plus 15 square 225. This is 625. It means this your hypotenuse is 25. Suppose according to question, this is not your question. According to question what question I have to tell that. See that suppose this is your, in actually this is not right angle triangle, but we have to rotate this by hypotenuse. You see that we have to rotate our triangle about the hypotenuse. If we have to rotate the triangle about the hypotenuse about y-axis, the imaginary part same you have to find that side or not. The same part we have to rotate, it means the side, the same triangle you have. You see that. Now how many cone you have? This is not exact figure we have to make. I try to make an exact figure. Okay, which type of figure you have to got? Two cones you have to got. This, see that after rotating, this is your hypotenuse. Suppose this is your hypotenuse. After rotating, you have to find double of the cone or not. This is the lower part of the cone. This is the upper part of the cone. By this triangle we have to make. Whose this is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. Its total length is the 25. You see that if in this triangle we have to draw a perpendicular. We have to draw a perpendicular. It means from here you have to draw a perpendicular. This is the radius or not? This is the radius of cone. If we want to calculate the radius of cone, it means you have to calculate this BD. If you want to calculate the radius of cone, then you have to calculate the BD. BD is actually radius of the cone. You see that this total length is 25. It means this length is the 15. This length is the 20. Till here anyone have any problem? Till here anyone have any problem? You see that whenever you have to rotate about the hypotenuse, this type of the figure you have to find.
So the radius will be half of hypotenuse.
No, radius is that. BD is the radius actually.
So it's the half of 25. Huh?
No, half of the 25. This is not. Suppose this distance will be x, then this remains distance is the 25 minus x. This is also 90 degree. Apply here. This is the only thing you have to find the BD. If you find the BD, then this question is too easy. You see that in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, BD square equals to, BD is the, this is the hypotenuse.
Area of triangle.
15 square minus, listen to me, keep silence. BD square equals to 15 minus x square. In triangle ABD and in triangle BDC, BD square equals to 20 square minus 25 minus x whole square.
So you have 50 square is there, na?
Why 50? This is 15 na?
So square will not there.
So 15 square, okay. This 15 square minus x square, this 20 square minus 25 minus x square. BD is the common. Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equating two equation, this implies that 15 square minus x square equals to what? 20 square minus 25 minus x. Till here anyone have any problem? Of BD, you have to solve this equation. Otherwise, you have to directly solve this area and this area. 1 by 2 base into height. 1 by 2 base into height. By this, you have to calculate the value of BD is 12. Second, you have to apply the Heron's formula. You have to calculate the total area. This total area equals to 1 by 2 base into height. Base is 25. Then again BD is 12. It means value of x is 8.5. Then you have to calculate the BD square equals to 15 square minus 8.5 whole square. You have to find the value of BD is. Don't speak in Hindi. Okay. You have to calculate the value of BD is. BD equals to 12. How, by which formula you have to find? This is depend upon you, because our question is the cone. This is our cone and we want to calculate the volume of lower plus upper. You see that if we want to calculate the volume, then you see that this is, because why you have to apply this one? Suppose you have to find the BD, but this distance we have also required, this height and this height we have to require. Again you have to apply the Heron's formula. Otherwise from here you have to directly calculate each and everything. By this formula you have to calculate. Otherwise you have to apply the Pythagoras. If 12 is there, then 15 square minus this 15 square minus 12 square equals to the AD. Value of AD is 15 square minus 12 square. It means 225 minus 144 remains value 81. It means this length is the 9. Value of x is 9. Then this remains one is the 16. Till here anyone have any problem? Now question have asked that what is the volume, total volume? The volume of lower part plus volume of upper part. Now we want to calculate the volume, and volume equals to the volume of lower cone, volume of lower cone plus volume of upper cone, volume of upper cone, and volume of lower cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Value of r is 12. 1 by 3 pi into 12 square. Value of h here lower 16. This upper is 9. 1 by 2 pi into 12 square into 16 plus 1 by 2 pi into 12 square into 9. Till here anyone have any problem? We have to common out 1 by 3 pi into 12 square. Remains value is 16 plus 9. This is the 25. And this is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 12 square. You have to mention 144 into this is 25. You have to calculate this value. This is the volume of cone. Again question have asked that what is the CSA of lower cone plus upper cone. CSA is what? 1 by 2. It means pi RL. Pi, this is R for lower cone. L is 20. For upper cone L is 15. It means 22 by 7 into 12 into 20. 22 by 7 into 12 into 15. You have to calculate this CSA. Curved surface area of double cone equals to pi RL of lower cone, pi RL of lower cone plus pi RL of upper cone. Pi value 22 by 7, value of R is 12, value of L is 20. Here 22 by 7 into 12, value of L is 15. You see that 22 by 7 into 12 you have to common out. Remains value is 20 plus 50, 35. You have to calculate 7 5 yeah, 35. 22 into 5, 110 into 12, 1210. 13, thank you beta, 1320 centimeter square. This is your CSA.
3771.
What one beta? The 1320. This is 1320 centimeter square is the CSA, and you have to calculate the TS.
3771.
V equals to 3771.3. This is the volume centimeter cube. Once again I have to speak the question. You see that what question you tell that? You see that question tells us suppose you have a right angle triangle. You have a right angle triangle and you have to revolve this about, or you have to move it about the hypotenuse, and you have to find the double of the cone. Keep silence. You have to find the double of the cone. Suppose this is for our, we have to making the cone, we have to take the right angle triangle like that. Suppose this ABC is a right angle triangle, ABC is a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is AC. Suppose this is your right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is AC. Whenever you have to revolve it about its hypotenuse, again after revolving you have to find this type of the figure. Till here anyone have any problem? You see that by this revolving we have to find the double of the cone or not. We have to find the double of the cone or not. Question asked about what is the volume of the cone and what is the CSA of the cone. You see that this, if you have to draw the BD perpendicular on AC, this BD is the radius, this BD is the radius, this 15 is the slant height, this of the upper cone, and this 20 is the slant height of lower cone. Till here anyone have any problem? We have to calculate the BD, and value of BD is 12. Value of BD is 12. You have to apply other in triangle ABD. This process you have to apply. Otherwise you have to apply the Heron's into equals to 1/2 base into height. Otherwise you have to separately calculate the area of these two triangle. By any way, there are three methods to calculate the BD. You have to apply any one and you have to find the BD. Value of BD is 12. Now you have to calculate the volume. Volume of lower cone. How you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. After that we want to calculate the volume. Volume is volume of lower cone. Total volume we want to calculate. Volume of lower cone plus volume of upper cone. Volume of lower cone is 1/3 into pi into 12 square into 16. 1/3 into pi into 12 square into 19, because this AD equals to 9. You have to apply Pythagoras. 15 square minus 12 square. 50 square 225 minus 144 is 81. 81 is the square of 9. If this is 9, then the remains is the 16. You have to calculate the volume. Again you have to apply the CSA. Slant height is 59, 20. This question, in this question anyone have any doubt? Sir. Circle. Sir. We have to start circle. Our next topic is the circle. First we have to, with NCERT we have to solve the, first we have to complete the NCERT 10-year question paper, and you try to solve RS Agrawal also. Okay, wait. See that we have to start the difference. What is the circle? First we have to try to understand what is the circle. You see that, suppose this is the plane. Circle is the two-dimensional. Before this we have to read about the sphere. Sphere is the three-dimensional. It means whenever we have to plot the circle, we have to require the plane. So we have, whenever you have to give the definition of the circle, you see that the collection of a point, the collection of all points, you see that the collection of all points.
Anyone has computer book here? Book. Copy. Copy. You have?
You see that whenever you have to give the definition of the circle, whenever you have to give the definition of the circle, we have to say that the collection of all points in a plane. You see that this is, these are the collection of the point. These are the collection of point or not? These are the collection of all points in a plane. We have to draw this figure on the plane. This is the two-dimensional figure. If 3D is, then it is required the sphere, and this is the sphere. The collection of all points in a plane at a fixed point with the fixed distance. It means that we have to collect all the points which have a fixed distance from a fixed point. This is the fixed point. Suppose this our fixed point is O. This is our fixed point O. Whenever you have to give the definition of circle, we see that circle is the collection of the points which have a fixed distance from a fixed point O, and this point O is said to be the center, and this distance, this fixed distance is said to be radius. These all are the equal distance. It means whenever anyone say that what is the definition of circle, you say that the collection of all point in a plane which have a fixed distance from a fixed point. Got it the idea or not? And this fixed point is said to be the center of the circle, and this fixed distance is said to be the radius of the circle. Write down the definition. Circle. Circle is a collection. Write down. By figure you have to find, you have to fill the definition or not. Circle is the collection. You see the number of the points. Circle is the collection of points in a plane which have a fixed distance from fixed point. It means these points have a fixed distance from center. It means this fixed point is said to be the center, and this fixed distance is said to be the radius. Write down. A circle is a collection of all points in a plane. A circle is a collection. A circle is a collection of all points in a plane which are at a constant distance. Which are at a constant distance. Which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. Which are at a constant distance from a fixed point. The constant distance is said to be radius. The constant distance is said to be radius, and the fixed point is said to be center. The constant distance is said to be radius, and the fixed distance is said to be center. Fixed point. The constant distance is said to the radius, and the fixed point is said to be center. Once again, you see that, you have to see the figure. Question, what we have to write in the definition? The collection of all points at a constant distance from a constant point. This is your constant point or fixed point, and this is the constant. These are the constant distance. It means we have to collect all the points which have distance from r distance. We have to, from this distance we have to travel r distance each and everywhere, and we have to collect all these points, and these points make a circle. You see that this is the circle whose center is O and radius is r, and this radius r is everywhere. If you have to touch any point, this is always fixed distance, and this fixed distance is said to be the radius. Till here, anyone have any problem? This is the definition of circle. Secant. Suppose we have a circle. A line. Suppose you have to draw any line which have cut the circle at 2 points. This line is said to be the secant. Anyone have any problem? Any line which have cut the circle at 2 points is said to be secant. These all are the secant. Listen to me. Diameter is also a secant. Whenever you have to give the definition of the diameter, we have to say that a secant which have passed through the center and cut the circle at 2 points. You see that?
Chord is a line segment. Secant is a line. Chord is also secant.
Chord is also a secant like that. You see that? We have to draw a line which passing through the center. Any line which is passing through the center and cut the circle at 2 points. This is said to be the diameter, but this is a secant. Got it the idea? Any line which have cut the circle at 2 points is said to be the secant. Write down the definition of the secant. Secant, a line which intersects a circle in two distinct points. A line which intersects a circle in two distinct points. You see that? Two distinct points A and B are two distinct points or not?
Yes, sir.
A line which intersects a circle in two distinct points is called a secant at the circle. Is called secant at the circle. It means this AB is the secant on the circle. Right now the definition of the tangent. Tangent means if the secant, if these 2 points are coincide. Tangent means what? Suppose we have to travel like that, and these 2 points are coincide at 1 point. Suppose tangent, we have to discuss about the tangent. Whenever you have to draw the secant, we have to say that the secant is a line which have to cut the circle at 2 distinct points. This is said to be the secant. But whenever you have to discuss about the tangent, whenever these two distinct points are coincide, it means you have to travel this distance and these 2 points are the coincides here. Then this is said to be the tangent. And whenever you have to give the definition of the tangent, a line which intersects at one point of the circle. That means outer point intersect at any outer point of the circle. It means touch at only one point. This line is said to be the tangent. Whenever you have to give the definition of the tangent, you say that any line which intersects at one point of the circle. Only one point, which touch at only one point or which intersect at only one point. This is said to be the tangent. Write down the definition of tangent. Otherwise, in secant form, you see that suppose these are the two distinct points. Whenever these two distinct points are coincide at one point, a line passing through this point is said to be the tangent. What is the idea? Write down tangent. Priyanshu. Circle. Only a line meeting a circle only in one point is called a tangent to the circle at that point. A line meeting a circle only in one point. A line meeting a circle only at in one point is called a tangent to the circle at that point. It means if line have intersect at one point, it means line have touched only one point. This line is said to be the tangent, and this point is said to be the point of contact. This point is said to be point of contact. This point is said to be the point of contact, and this line is said to be the tangent. After that, we discuss about the diameter. The secant who have the highest line are the secant which have to move from the center or passing through the center and touching at the circle at 2 points. This is said to be the diameter.